Okay. I'm almost there. I'm just at the loading thing right there. Okay. I'm in queue of 1. I'm in queue, I think. Something is happening. Loading it now. Stay alive for 120 seconds. Kill 5 enemies while prone. A damage enemy for 300 points with a semi-automatic rifle.
Destroy the last objective.
Okay, okay, where you were first time? Okay. Shut audio. I'm going to change that later. Okay, where we at now?
Keep this up. We are almost there. One objective remains. Destroy it.
Seems fast-paced.
Objective Charlie is now armed.
That's what I was worried about when I saw that battlefield. Oh shit. Okay, it's R2 to aim. The guy on the left right here.
You've destroyed objective Charlie.
Got our first victory. I'm not used to it. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing now. I had to change my
A decisive victory, soldiers. Incoming fire
the
has
R2
compromised a
L2
few of our
option.
ships, but the majority of the fleet is intact. The Germans are scrambling to regroup, giving us an opportunity to press the advantage and secure a foothold on shore. Look lively, soldiers. The Germans defend from a series of key locations. We need to get ourselves into those hard points and drive them out. Seize all entrenchments in a given zone before moving on. Leave no shred of German control.
Is there oh yeah, options, controls, basic, what's this, oh, aiming, that's it, basics, vibrate on. How the hell he changes? Control scheme. Okay, fire R2. Oh shit. Throw a grenade R1. Oh my days. R2 to fuck it, let's keep it as it is. Okay.
Attack the next sector, soldiers.
Watch out, over there.
Trying to learn these buttons.
Good job. We have taken objective Baker.
You gotta be animal.
Bloody problem over there. A grenade for him.
Hello, old friend.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Objective Baker is being lost. Soldiers, objective Baker has been lost.
Got eyes on trouble. There. Grenade!
Smoke for the buggers!
We have taken objective Baker.
Taking the objective, soldiers!
Watch out there.
No. Hey, there's a guy down there.
Looking at trouble over there.
That's more first aid.
Requesting more ammo.
I need some, man.
We are losing objective Baker.
I'm trying to need some ammo though. I'm empty. Holy shit! 4 guys came up.
Good show. Objective Able taken.
Okay, he's the ammo guy.
Soldiers, we have lost objective Baker.
How do you fucking drop ammo? What the fuck is this?
Heads up, grenade out.
Dude, how the hell do you drop ammo? Oh shit! Fucking hell, I got look at that gun back here. Hey guys. Welcome guys, welcome. First time playing Battlefield 5 beta. I'm not good at it yet, anything. I need to know this gameplay. Oh man, I need to know. Then I want to find a way to switch over my stuff. Hello, Matthias. Call for help. I'm trying to learn this shit.
Ammo for you.
Thank you, soldier.
Oh, I see. That's the ammo thing.
Throw the bomb! Taste the dirt!
Run!
Pick one of us!
Look, there.
Kicking up a storm over here. Bravo.
Eyes up, over there.
What the hell? Oh shit. I'm trying to select another ammo pack. Oh, you can deploy ammo pack one time? Sorry.
We have taken the sector. We need all enemies cleared from the sector.
Got hits on that bastard. Bravo need bombs, man. I can't spawn over there.
We have an issue over there.
We must attack the next sector immediately.
Trouble at this position.
How do you get in this hat? Fucking one person can drive a tank. Fucking guy behind me. Whoa. Alpha and Bravo. Which one can you bomb? Choose one. We'll get more fire coming in from Alpha though.
I don't like the looks of that. Look alive, danger over there.
Don't do some on our side!
Yeah, I know, I'm marking them down there.
Watch out, danger there.
Train track, some train track west. Oh my god, I got sniped. He's at 8%. Shit, man.
We have now taken objective Baker.
I need help right here. There's a medic nearby me. Help! Help me, please. Anybody near medic? Help! I'm going to the light. shit, wicked. I'm gonna fucking gun on this fucking jet. I'm in the bomber with you, man. God damn. Remember, it's my first time playing this shit, so I'm excited.
We have lost our control of Objective Baker.
Boats have the objective.
What, do you fly the bomber in here? Shit, I'm gonna hit up Alpha. Oh, I got hit on somebody down there on Alpha. Fuck me, I shouldn't have stopped firing. Should have continued firing. Shit.
Attention, we have now taken Objective Baker.
Going hot. Can't see nobody here, but I'm still
Attention,
shooting.
Objective Baker has been lost.
Oh, this is so cool. Fucking tank! Oh, shit, that was a fucking tank. Hold on. How do I change the gun?
Objective Baker is ours.
Oh shit. Probably have to change up my sensitivity.
Danger, there.
No, that's not that was
First aid for
operation.
Right, we need a crocodile tank. All clear, squad leader. Vehicle is coming to you. Attention, we are losing Objective Baker.
Uh-huh.
There, looks like trouble.
Objective Baker has been lost.
Danger, right there.
We have taken Objective Able.
Oh fuck.
Yes, almost there. Keep fighting. Clear the sector of all enemies. Good work. That's the sector secured. Move to attack the next sector.
Devil!
We have taken objective Baker.
Oh, thank you.
Attention, we're losing objective Baker. We have lost objective Baker.
Watch over there!
Yeah, that game's not.
You've rolled right through them. The Germans are reeling from our assault and now scramble to evacuate from the field of battle. There is no doubt that your victory has secured the fortunes of Norway and struck a blow at the very heart of the German machine.
Yeah, me too. What's up, Lord? Four level.
Attention, soldiers.
Okay.